Welcome back to my craft vlog, and today we will be making autumn projects. We will be using different materials: cotton, natural wool, natural cotton, polyester, different thicknesses, 4 millimeters, 6 millimeters, chunky wool, and we will be making pumpkins, something for autumn, baskets for Halloween. So keep on watching and I will share all the details about my project that I am making while I am creating. So let's start making the pumpkin. Make a knot in chain 13. I will tell you a secret: if you are watching this video, I can share my written pattern with you for free. Go to my website monomey.com, find this pattern and use the word pumpkin in a checkout, and you will get 100% off for this pattern. So enjoy, crochet with me, and I will leave the link how to make it below in the description, also right here, and enjoy and crochet with me. So 13 chain 13, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 and 13. So a chain of 13. What is more, I have also video tutorial how to make it. You can find it right here. Also, I will leave the link in the description. Now you will work back on the chain that you just made, skip one stitch and make 12 single crochet. 12 single crochet, 1. We made 12 single crochet. Now chain 1, turn the work to the other side, and now we'll be making also let me tell you, 12 single crochet, 12 single crochet only in the loop that is in front of you. So 12 single crochet only in one loop, in the loop that is in front of you. Let me know, what are you creating in autumn? What crochet or knitting projects you are making in autumn, maybe for Halloween, maybe for Thanksgiving Day. Let me know in the comments. Okay, thank you. Share your projects with me. I'm really also interesting. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and 12. This is what we have. So this is the end of this round. Now again, chain 1, turn the work to the other side, skip one stitch and make 12 single crochet, regular single crochet. So we are skipping the stitch that we just made, and then to the next one we're making regular single crochet. And actually this is all you need to know. Why? Because we will be repeating this and the row we made before, one by one, till we finish making this cute pumpkin. So you can do it with your own yarn, cord, whatever you have, in many colors you prefer, and any size you want. I will tell you a secret how to measure when you are done making this project. So this is what I have now. Now repeat the row that we just made before. Again, chain 1, turn the work to the other side and make single crochet only in the loop that is in front of you. 12 single crochet. 1. If you want your pumpkin to be bigger, chain more at the beginning and then make more single crochet in each row. If you want your pumpkin to be smaller, make less on the beginning chain and then make less single crochet on this pumpkin. Please let me know, are you preparing for autumn? Maybe you're already preparing for Christmas. Let me know. Like now again, chain 1, turn the work to the other side, skip one, the first stitch, and to the next one make 12 single crochet. And this is I will be doing this stitch by stitch, row by row, repeating the first and the second rounds. I will meet you when I'm done with this. The main part of the pumpkin is done. Now, how to know when you are done? I made 27 rows from here to here. Now, how to measure if your pumpkin is bigger or smaller? This side, this one, has to be 3 times shorter than this long line. How to measure? Fold it like this. Fold it like this, one triangle, and then once again another triangle. So 2 triangles, you can see 3 sides here. This means that this side is 3 times shorter than the long one. All I have to do is to pull hard to form nice pumpkin. And my pumpkin is almost done. And to finish my pumpkin, I will add cinnamon stick with green yarn on it, just like this, and it is perfect. Pumpkin for your autumn decorations. I have free video tutorial how to make it easy and fast. You can use any yarn you prefer. I'm here to create the second autumn project, crochet project. I will be using this colorful macrame cord. It's created from 3 colors: yellow, black, and shining lyrics. And I will be making small crochet basket. I have free video tutorial how to make it. I will leave the links right here, also in the description. Written pattern and do-it-yourself kit how to make this you can also find in MonoMey.com. All the links below in the description. So let's get started. I will be using 8mm crochet hook, so follow me on my video tutorial and let's create this small beautiful basket. So let's start. Make magic circle. You can follow my video tutorial that is below in the description, and step-by-step video tutorial with a camera from the top to see closely what I'm doing. And in this video I will be more talking about crochet than showing how to make it. So magic circle and 6 single crochet in the middle of the ring. It will be a round nice basket. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Make it like this now, and join with a slip stitch at the very end. I can tell you that this small basket is #1 now trending in my studio. People are buying do-it-yourself kits to create these baskets. Now we'll chain 1 and make 2 single crochet in 1 stitch, and we'll be repeating this in this round 6 times. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the ring button to be the first to know about my new video tutorials, about my crochet videos. So making this basket is really easy, really fast. You can make it as a gift basket, and I can tell you that crocheting with macrame cord, especially with MonoMey Studio macrame cord, the baskets will last for ages, either being used in the kitchen or in bathroom or in your wardrobe, anywhere you prefer, maybe in dining room, maybe to put your keys, socks, anywhere. It will last forever, and you will see how useful they are. In general, using baskets and boxes for your home makes it more tidy. Did you notice that? This is what I have so far. Really nice and perfect circle at the bottom of the basket. Let's continue making the basket. Have you seen anyone crocheting with macrame cord? Please answer below in the comments. I started crocheting with macrame cord 8 years ago, and I'm still crocheting with macrame cord. The most important thing is to find the perfect macrame cord that can be used for crocheting. I found it. It's MonoMey Studio macrame cord. Soft, colorful, and you can see how fast the projects are coming up, and they're getting really sturdy. And as I'm creating baskets, rugs, bags, it's one of the most important things for the final result to be really nice. I'm crocheting quite tight, I would say. I like the projects to be really sturdy. I need more cord. So this is 200 meters of macrame cord, and with this one spool I can make 4 small baskets. So if you also get the spool, 200 meters, you can make 4 baskets for your home, for your friends, for your family, maybe for birthday presents, housewarming gifts. You can put inside some candies, coffee, chocolate, anything you prefer. So as I'm speaking with you, I'm making my basket really nice. I'm here using single crochet in the middle of the loop. This is how nice the result is coming up. I'm crocheting not in the main 2 loops, but in the middle of the loop. What do you think? Nice. And I really like this color. It's really autumn. Autumn is calling. What are you crocheting now? You can send me pictures. I really love to see them. You can send me an email, info@monomey.com, or you can send me a message on Instagram. You can also tag me and I will share it with my followers too. Ta-da! And I'm making the last stitches for the base of my basket, and it really comes up really fast. The whole basket, I would say, you can crochet in less than 1 hour. If you don't know the pattern, if you know the pattern, you can crochet it in 30 minutes. If you are following the pattern for the first time, I would say that you can crochet it in 1 hour. Just look at this. Wow, nice, sturdy. You can use this as a coaster, as a placemat in your kitchen. It looks just perfect, doesn't it? And now we'll be starting to make the sides. This is gonna be the base, and the sides is gonna be small basket. And I'm making already the sides. You can see how nice the basket is coming up. And now I just have to repeat the same pattern, stitch by stitch, single crochet in the middle of the loop, in the middle of the stitch that is below. Take a look. I will make few more stitches like this. Take a look. Can you see how nice the stitches are coming up? Really nice. And you can see how sturdy the basket is. It's soft to crochet with macrame cord, but the final result is really sturdy. If you don't want to be it sturdy, you can make bigger stitches, make it more loose, and I can tell you this cord looks just gorgeous. This texture, look, nice. I will share the link how to get this cord too below in the comments, maybe also here in this video, somewhere right here most probably, or right here. And just look, and this is how much of the basket I made so far. Really nice, easy, fast, and you can see how sturdy the basket is coming up. Really nice. Take a look. You can make shorter, you can make it bigger, and you can make it in any color you prefer. I have more I have more than 100 colors in my studio that you can choose from. And MonoMey Studio macrame cord is the only one in the world produced here where I live in Lithuania. You will not get the same cord anywhere. This is why it is being shipped all over the world. And to create this basket, you will need only 50 meters of macrame cord. So if you buy a spool of 200 meters, you can make 4 small baskets. Yes, 4 small baskets. I'm in love. You can see the colors, really, really nice. Beautiful. Ta-da! And the basket is done. This is how it looks like. Small, nice, and sturdy. What do you think? So with this cord you can make this basket easily and fast. So this was my second autumn project. The first one was pumpkins. So these are 2 my autumn projects. What's next? The pumpkin, the basket. Perfect. What's next? I will be making pumpkins with wool yarn. Really cute, nice and easy. You know that I made these pumpkins with macrame cord, and this time I was using wool, and you can see how nice they are coming up. To make these pumpkins I was using chunky wool. It's 70% of wool and 30% of alpaca. So this is the wool that I use, so natural wool, and I was crocheting the pumpkin, this pumpkin. You know that I have free video tutorial how to make it. You can still make it before Halloween, so enjoy and crochet with me. The first thing that you have to do is chain 1 and now work in single crochet stitch by stitch all the row, just like this. Crochet this pumpkin with me, it's really easy and fast. We did it. Now we have to do pull it like this, nice circle. Now we have to join this side together. And now crochet it in single crochet, taking loops from one side and from the other side. Let's add some wool inside to keep it warm. Now pull the end of the yarn like this. We have beautiful small pumpkin. You want to make this crochet pumpkin easily and fast? Crochet with me.